Yes. So guys, how are you? How are you doing? How is everybody? I think you're doing great. Everyone is okay. So today is Eid al-Adha. We are doing great, although we did not celebrate as we should have celebrated, but we did not. Anyway, today, guess what? What has the Somali boy come with today? So actually, as I have promised that I'm not going to expose the things that I wanted to share with you, but I have a very beautiful thing for you, although you've already seen them on the title, but still I'll share with you. Anyway, what do you know about Nigeria? Do you know anything about Nigeria? Nigeria. Or you only know what we call Oga. You know, Nigerians, they use that word, what we call Oga. Actually, I had cosmets at university, so I liked the way they use English. You know, there are some actually good and friendly people. Anyway, today we won't talk about. I will release and actually show you a beautiful thing. There is what you call Ikorodo dance. That is one of the beautiful traditional dance in Nigeria that I want to share with you guys, and that is for Igbo tribe. So, and the rest I will also share with you, but as far as right now is concerned, we're going to share with you that beautiful things. But before having gone into those things, we have to know about Nigeria. What is Nigeria? What do we know about Nigeria? Because first of all, we have to know about what we're going to talk about, right? So, Nigeria is a country that is located in West Africa. That is where it's located. Nigeria has 36 states. It's actually a federal government. It has 36 states, and out of that, Abuja is the capital city of that beautiful nation. Abuja is the capital city. I think their system of governing, it's like United States of America, or even Somalia. We have federalism. I think Nigeria has that kind of body govern, like federalism. It's like they have states. For example, Somalia, we have like 5 states in Somalia, but we also have a central government in Somalia. So the same goes to Nigeria. They have 36 states in the country. So Nigeria is viewed as a multicultural state. They have a lot of different cultures in the country. And the other thing that we need to know is that Nigeria has got 200 million people. In fact, it is the most populated country in Africa, followed by Ethiopia. So there are a lot of people who live in there. So we need to know about that Nigeria has got more than 200 million people, and it has about 6 states, as I told you, and the government functioning is like federalism. So the other thing that you should know about Nigeria is that Nigeria has got more than 250 ethnic groups. 250 ethnic groups. That's quite. If I tell you about Somalia has only one tribe, one ethnic group. That's what I can tell you. That is too much, man. That is too much. 250 ethnic group, which means they have different language. So the other thing that we want to understand about them is that those 250 ethnic group, there are 3 major ethnic group that we want to also talk about, and those ones are called Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. Those are the largest ethnical group. Those three. There are very many, but those are the three that are found. They are the largest in the country: Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. And what I can tell you is that Hausa is a language that is spoken by even very many people speak that language. They have their language. That language is not even a local. Even I've seen people speaking here outside of Nigeria. So Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. So the one that the traditional dance that we are going to share with you tonight is for Igbo. Ikorodo dance. So it is this tribe is the one that owns this song, this dance. So, and the other thing that also we want to know is that Nigeria has got 500 languages. 500 languages. Can you believe that? 500. In Somalia, we have only one language. 500 languages. Oh my God. So, those are the things we want to know about the country. So, right now, I know you are waiting for me to start my dancing with the beautiful dance that I want to share with you. So, but before that, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't do that, I will wait for you. I'm not gonna play. So you subscribe to the channel, okay? Are you done? Then let's enjoy right now. Actually, guys, the way they are dancing, it's quite challenging. If you didn't know well, you see how they are doing their fits. And the other lady who is making like as if she is guiding them to do, she's telling them what to do. It's like she says something, so it's like slow the speed maybe, and when also she speaks in her language, as if she also, it's like she's directing them to do what they should be doing. So I think that's what I've picked from, because you see they do something and then she makes sound, so that sound makes, she's directing them to to follow with her, something like that. I think that's how they do it. So anyway, it has been a great music. Actually, I also enjoyed and Africa cultural, dance. In fact, it has a lot of things there. So that is the beauty of culture, our actually beautiful culture as an African people, and we still have many. We have a lot of things. We have a lot of different things to offer to the world. And I think when you see those things, it's like a kind of communication. They communicate. Songs. It's also ideas. It's a communication. It all becomes sometimes ritual. It has different meaning when it comes to those things. So, and life is actually, it's a learning process. We have to learn more every single day. You have to make sure that you learn new things that you did not know. That is how you can grow your head. Learning is the only way out on this planet. If you want to live on this world, make sure you learn. Learning is a process that never ends. every single day you will have a new things. You can see, actually, I had my professor at university used to say, he was called Seko Chogo. He's actually was a Ugandan professor. He said that whenever he learns small things, that is the time that he will know that he's actually uneducated person. He says that whenever I expose myself to new education, that will reveal to me that I know the only thing that I know is actually nothing. So let's keep learning. Let's keep keep the peace. Let's keep on supporting each other and support this channel. Thank you very, very, very much.